The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th Canto, 1st Chapter, text number 47, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on June 13th, 1976, in Detroit, Michigan.
The symptoms of birth one can understand, of course, through avijñā. Those who are avijñā, the word is used, gunabhijñā, jnapaka. Gunabhijñapako yatha. By the gunas, guna means quality, one can understand the past and future. Still, in India, there is an astrological system. It is called Bhrigu Samhita. According to that Bhrigu Samhita, the astrologer can say what the man was in the future and what is going to be, what the man was in the past and what is going to be in future and present. So, generally, we can understand from the Shastra that according to gun, Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun, those who are in Satagun, they are going higher planetary system. Rajagun, on the same platform, Tamagun going down. So the human endeavor should be how to increase the Satagun quality of the man. That is the duty of all guardians, state, king, government, everyone should. If you do not make such attempt to elevate your dependence towards the Satagun platform, simply lamenting what will do good to you. Oh, our position is this, now it is uncontrollable, the things are going bad, there are problems. Yes, problem must be there. Because the aim of life should be known. They do not know. The modern civilization, they do not know what is the aim of life, how life is going on eternally, how it is implicated, how to entangle. So many things are there. It is a great science. So, the Krishna consciousness movement is trying to establish this science. The real mission is how the human society will be happy. That is the duty of all saintly persons. According to our parampara system, just like Goswamis, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, they were very exalted personalities, minister in government. Still, they resigned from the service and joined Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement. That is the history. All the direct disciples of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are very big personalities. Just like Rup Sanatana, they are minister. Then Bhatto Raghunath, Das Raghunath Das, he was coming. More than minister, his father and uncle were the biggest jamindar, landlord in those times. He was the only son of the father and the uncle, huge estate, beautiful wife, everything he left and joined this movement, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Similarly, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he is also coming from a very aristocratic Brahmin family in South India. Sijiv Goswami, the nephew of Rupa Goswami, the learned circle still in Bengal, they say, such a big scholar and philosophy there was none, and nobody expect a similar philosopher and learned scholar in the future. He was such a big personality, Jiva Goswami. Big Mayavadis, they are afraid of Jiva Goswami's logic and argument to establish Vaishnava philosophy. So, it is not, this Krishna consciousness movement is for very intelligent, high-class, fortunate person. Because they are going to guide the destiny of the human society. Nana Shastra Vicharane Kunipuno Sadharma Samasthapako Lokanan Hitakarima. Their only endeavor is how people will be happy. This is their real mission. Just as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu therefore asked to take this mission and go village to village, town to town, and spread my mission. Prithivite ache jato nagara adigra sarvatra prachar haive mon now. So, you young Americans have taken a very great mission, and the system we have introduced to go in the vans, buses, and village to village, town to town, and if you keep strictly on the principles and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then your mission will be successful. There is no doubt about it. So, Vartamana Annayo Kala, there are three different features of time: past, present and future. So those who are learned scholars, from one point they can calculate what is the past and what is the future. Evam janma annayori tat dharma dharma nidarsanam. There is astrology, there are experienced persons, they can say what was the past, what will be the future. This is one side. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement is, even without any knowledge of the past, without any knowledge of the future, if you take the present opportunity, then your life is successful. The present opportunity is that in this age, Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. Anarpita Charing Chirat, Karunaya, what, anyone knows this verse? Anarpita Charing Chirat, Karunaya, Vathina Kalo, Samarpayatonnata Ujjala Sabhaktisya, Hari Purata Sundara Dhuti, Kadamma Sandipita, Sadaridaya Kandare, Suratuva, Sachinandana. This Rupa Goswami is blessing that within your heart let Sachinandana be seated. Sadaridaya Kandare, Suratuva, Sachinandana. Then everything will be adjusted. He has appeared for this past. Anarpita charing chirata karunaya vathina kalo samarpayatamannata ujjala rasa sabhaktisya. He is Personally, Krishna personally is giving. Krishna. Namo Mahabharanaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namino Gauratisi Namah. These are the verses composed by Rupa Goswami. That here is most magnificent incarnation. Because he is giving Krishna. Not only Krishna, Krishna Prema, love of Krishna. What was very, very difficult to understand, Manusyanam Sahasreshu Kaschid Jadati Siddhaya. To understand Krishna is not so easy. But Krishna himself is giving himself. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, future, past, present, future, whatever it has been, our past, or what is present, it doesn't matter. But if we take to Krishna consciousness movement, then our present and future both are bright, undoubtedly. So, we should take the instruction of the Goswamis, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana, Bande Rupa Sanatana Ragajugo, Sri Jiva Gopalaka, Krishna's Kirtana Gana Nattana Paro, Premamritamani Dhi, Dhira Dhira Jana Priyo, Priyakaro, Nirmasaro. Nirmasaro. This movement, there is no distinction, no Masarata. Matsarata means to be intolerant for others' advancement. Nobody, this is material nature. Nobody wants that his friend or his son, of course, the father likes, the son is increasing in opulence, he likes, but sometimes he does not like. So this world is full of envy. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement is for the Paramahamsa, who is not envious. Parama nirmasarana satang vastava vastu vedamat. Nirmasar, when one is not envious of others. That is called nirmas. Because in the material world, everyone is envious of another person. That is the nature. Therefore there is so much fight. Everyone is envious. Nation is another nation against envious. Even person to person, brother to brother, family to family, community to community. Everywhere. Masarata. Parau utkarsanam asahanam. Masarata means one cannot tolerate others' flourishing condition. Immediately envious. But this system, Krishna consciousness, is meant for Paravan Nirmasarana, one who has learned this art not to become envious, tolerant. That is the qualification of saintly person. Karuna. What is that? Titikshava, Karuna. Those who are preachers, they should be Titikshava. Titikshava means Titiksha, tolerant. There will be so much insult, inconveniences, against party, everything. We have to tolerate. Titikshava, Karuna. At the same time, we have to distribute the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Titikshava, Karuna. Sridhar Sarvabhutanam, and friend of everyone. There is no distinction. Friend of everyone. Sridhar Ajata Satrava, by their actions they will not create any enemy. Ajata Satrava Shanta, peaceful. Ajata Satrava Shanta, Sadhava Sadhu. These are the decoration of sadhu, saintly person. Titikshava Karunika, I think this sloka is there in the Kapila's teaching to his mother. Titiksava karunika ajata satrava shanta sadhava sadhubhusana. So far the Kali Yuga is concerned, we have only passed 5,000 years out of 30 to 100,000 of years. We have only passed 5,000 years, and the miserable condition, situation will degrade more and more, more and more. So, if you have to take again birth in this material world, then we will have to suffer more and more. Best thing is that let us finish our business of Krishna consciousness and go back to home, back to Godhead, so that we haven't got to come again to this nonsense material world. That is wanted. Jadgatyana nivartanti tadhama paramam. This should be the aim of life. That we are not going to take advantage of the so-called advance of material civilization. We have no business. Aranare Bab. We should make it a determination that we had enough of this material civilization. We are not anymore concerned about it. We are interested in Krishna. Have to go back to home, back to Godhead, Krishna. This should be the determination. And if we think, let me taste this also and taste that also. In Bengal it is called Dudo Khai, Tamako Khai. Not like that. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has warned very seriously. Niskincanasya bhagavad bhajano numukhasya paranga paranga jigimiso bhavusagarasya vishayanam sandanasanam athajusitancha ha hantam vishabhakshanadapi asadhu. For a person who is going back to home, back to Godhead, he should be niskinchan. Niskinchan means no more any material necessity. Niskinchan. Niskinchanasya bhagavad bhajanonmukhasya. One side, this is Nibbana, finished. And the other side, positive. Negative side, no more material. And positive side, Krishna. Bhagavad bhajanonmukhasya. How to go back to home, back to Godhead, to serve Krishna. This is one side. And one side, need. We don't want anymore anything. Niskinchana. For such a person, Vishayinam sandarsanam athajusitancha. For such a person, if he has become captivated by the material attraction, means money and material comforts. Woman and material comforts. This is material civilization. Everyone is after woman. Woman or man, it is not that woman means the form of woman and man is the form of man. Woman means enjoyable and man means enjoyer. So here in this material world, everyone is enjoyer. Everyone is enjoyer. Not only the man thinks I shall enjoy the woman thinks I shall enjoy the man. The spirit is how to become enjoyer. Therefore sometimes the living entity is described as Purusha. Actually every living entity is Prakriti. Prakriti means enjoyable. So everyone is to be enjoyable by Krishna. But thinking, I am enjoyer. That is Maya. So, anyone is thinking of enjoying this material world. Vishayinam Asujositancha. Vishainam sandarsanam asujositan. So for any person who is serious about going back to home, for them these things are abominable more than drinking poison. This is the verdict of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, this is the ideal. So, we must be serious. It is not that in one day we all of us will become Paramahansa. That is not possible. Don't try to imitate. But follow the rules and regulations with vow that this life I shall go back to home, back to Godhead with determination. Then Krishna will give you intelligence. That is promised by Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. Trisam nityavijuktanam bhajatam priti satadvijuktanam bhajatam priti buddhakam tadami. If you are serious, then Krishna is within everyone's heart. He will give you intelligence. But we must be very serious. Then past, present, future will be cleared before us. And because Krishna is personally directing, buddhi yogam dadami. So, what knowledge is wanting there when Krishna? In another place Krishna says, Trisame manukam patham aham ajnana janatama nashayami ato bhavasya jnana deepena bhasata. For a sincere devotee, Krishna said, to show him a special favor, even though he is rascal, I will make him intelligent. Thank you very much.